In him we live and move and have our being. Marvel not that I touched the intangible, and with senses so transformed felt as I'd never done before. All around me was an ever-presence as could only be love, peaceful, reassuring. I was somehow separate from my body, caught up in a feather breeze of soul that bore me on gentle wings across the face of infinity. Hymns and praises, soaring angel sounds, sang joyous symphonies throughout my being. I was inseparable from what I heard, inseparable from what I felt, at one with all around me. It was the perfection of love, and I knew reality, life eternal, understood those oft-pondered words, in him we live and move and have our being.